Hello, Erneshians. Ernesh here again. I've made another video showing how to install BlueStacks, and it also includes a workaround for LIAP alerts in certain games. If you've already downloaded the files, right-click the zipped file and select Extract to BlueStack Package 2026. Once the folder appears, you can delete the zipped file afterward. Next, open the BlueStacks package folder. Go to the recommended folder, and then run the installer inside to install BlueStacks. Installing BlueStacks may take a while depending on your device's speed, so I'll skip ahead to keep the tutorial nice and fast. Once BlueStacks finishes installing, close any windows that pop up, and also close the emulator. We won't need it yet. Next, we'll create a new instance to move on to the next part. Alright, now open the BlueStacks Multi-Instance Manager and click Instance to create a brand new instance. Next, select Fresh Instance and choose which Android version you want to install. For me, I'm going with Android 13. That's the one I like best. After you pick your Android version, click Next and choose the setup that fits your device. You can follow my settings if you want, but it's not required. We don't all have the same specs. I'm using a high-end PC, so I'll go with the max settings. After you've chosen your setup, hit download to begin creating your new instance. How fast it goes will depend on your internet speed and your device's specs. I'll skip ahead here to make the video quicker for you guys. Once your new instance is successfully created, open it up. Next, head over to your BlueStacks Package 2026 folder and launch BlueStacks root GUI. This is what we'll use to root BlueStacks. When you open the BlueStacks root GUI, you'll notice two options, Pi 64 and Tiramisu 64. These match the version of your BlueStacks instance. Pi 64 is for Pi 64-bit, and Tiramisu 64 is for Android 13. Now this part's a bit tricky, so make sure to follow carefully. You have to click fast because the option will uncheck itself after a few seconds. Select Tiramisu 64, that's the instance we'll be rooting. Check it, then quickly hit toggle root. The BlueStacks emulator will automatically close. Don't worry, that's totally normal. After that, check Tiramisu 64 again and click toggle R/W. That means read and write. Once everything's enabled, go ahead and close the BlueStacks root GUI, because we won't be needing it anymore. Alright, now open your Android 13 instance. We'll start by unchecking a few BlueStacks preferences to make it look cleaner and run better. Just follow along with what I'm doing. And if there are options you don't like, go ahead and uncheck them too. Next, we're going to install MT Manager. This is part of our setup guide. Keep in mind, this version is just a clone, so not all features will work. It might ask you to log in or get premium access if you want to use some of the advanced tools. Next, install Kitsune Magisk version 27. This is the recommended version. Once it's installed, open Kitsune, then close and reopen it to refresh the newly installed Magisk. Alright, now click Install. Make sure to check Preserve AVB 2.0, and then hit Next. When the installation method pops up, select Direct Install, Modify/System directly, and then click Let's Go. Once the installation finishes, reboot and restart the BlueStacks emulator. After it restarts, open Kitsune Magisk. You might get a pop-up saying, SU binary not from Magisk, but don't worry, that's normal. Next, go into Magisk settings and make sure to enable JSHOOK, Magisk Hide, and enforce SUList. Next, go to Modules and click Install from Storage. Choose Pick from Windows, go to your BlueStacks package 2026, and open the Modules folder. Select LSPosed version 1. 10.0 and hit open, then confirm by clicking OK. If you get an error saying installation failed, invalid URI, don't worry. Just hit back, select MT Manager, open the DCIM folder, and select the module again. It should work this time. Do the same for the JSHOOK module version January 2nd, 14 if your JSHOOK app is version 1.27. If you have JSHOOK version 1.30, you can skip installing the module. Next, install GameGuardian. But before setting it up, open Kitsune Magisk and enable root access for GameGuardian under Configure SUList. Make sure to select all apps that need root access in Configure Magisk, but don't enable the games, just the apps. After that, go ahead and set up GameGuardian. Once the new GameGuardian is installed, enable it again in Configure SUList to make sure it has root access. Now we're at the part that sets up the detection bypass. Follow my steps exactly and watch closely. As you can see, the game detected our device is rooted. Game detected. Root access detected. Okay, follow these steps to bypass root detection. Open MT Manager, tap the 3 lines at the top left, and choose root directory. Go to /system, then open bin and xbin. Delete the SU files found in each folder, and restart the emulator. you can still see the detection. So next we'll set up Hide My App List. If you see that Hide My App List isn't active, just restart your emulator and it will become active. Alright, for the next part, just follow exactly what I do. I won't be talking, so pay close attention and follow along until the very end. And there you go. The detection has been successfully bypassed. I hope this guide was helpful. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more tutorials coming your way. Have an awesome day, everyone. Bye for now.